All right, here we are taking a look at our new 366-piece Master Mechanics hand tool set in PACKOUT. This thing is shipping in October of this year. Walking through all the drawers here, every drawer has a high-quality EVA foam tray with a durable reinforced base. That's going to add rigidity and make it really easy to lift in and out of the tray. Take it to your workstation if you're not sure which size socket you need. Really nice and portable. We have these separated out so you have all your metric sockets in one drawer and then your SAE sockets in a separate drawer. So here you get 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive, your standards. This one you got bit sockets, spark plug sockets, impact sockets, and then your bottom drawer on this stack has all your ratchets, extensions, and picks. These are also going to be sold as their own kits as well. So this drawer unit here with everything I just showed you is the 242-piece socket set. Then we have our 60-piece wrench set, again separated by metric and SAE. You have non-ratcheting wrenches in the top 2 drawers, and then ratcheting wrenches in the bottom 2 drawers. The last set is our 65-piece hand tool set. And that comes with just a variety of different hand tools that the technician's going to need on the day-to-day. So have your screwdrivers and pry bars here, pliers, hose picks, got a knife in there as well, flocking pliers, and then dead blows, hex keys, a couple snap ring pliers, ink saw, tape measure. So, like I said, this whole tower, including the base, is being sold as the 366-piece master set. This whole thing will be retailing for $4,000. And again, you're also able to buy the separate sets as well, varying prices throughout. You can write on these. You can put a sticker label on here. A lot of people want to adapt this. Like if they just want to take one drawer stack out or have it on their truck, they might change what trays are in there. Okay. So, but if you're using it more stationary and it's always going to stay like that, then yeah, that'd be great to label it.